Jay-Z put in his statement, and I'm going to talk about Jay-Z's statement in a moment, that he said, well, if you really believe that I did this, Mr. Lawyer, why don't you file a criminal charge as well as a civil charge? They filed it in the state of New York. I did look that up. And in the state of New York, the statute of limitations is pretty wide when it comes to this type of charge. And in New York, they actually added some loopholes into the legal system in New York over the last couple of years to where you could basically, what used to be an expiration of the statute of limitations when it came to this kind of stuff, it got expanded. One of the main reasons that they did that because they were trying to go after Donald Trump. But at the same time they opened it to go after Trump, they went after a bunch of other people. So any of you who follows entertainment, I guess we could say, or celebrity news, you probably saw maybe about a year and a half ago, did any of you notice this, that a whole bunch of people were filing civil lawsuits against entertainers and celebrities, specifically in the state of New York, because they widened the statute of limitations. So let's just say, and I'm just using this as an example, that the statute of limitations is you can only file a civil suit within 5 years of it happening. They expanded it, so now it's 20 years. So now anybody who was mad about something that happened 15 years ago, now you're in the window where you can go and file a suit. And lawsuits are all about making money, by the way. You can't send someone to jail for a lawsuit. You can send someone to jail off a criminal case, but you only make money off of a lawsuit. So this guy, Tony Busby, some of the things that people who are not fans of his or conversely are big fans of Jay-Z, and Jay-Z has a lot of fans. I am a Jay-Z fan myself, but I can talk about him objectively because I'm a fan, not a fanatic, and there's two different things. And these people are saying, well, this guy's just going after him for money. Well, maybe he is, but the United States of America's legal system is designed that this is exactly what you're supposed to do. This is what you can do if you believe you've been wronged and you can prove it. If you can prove it in court, you can make money or get paid based on that's what the United States system has decided is proper restitution if you believe something wrong was done to you, even if we can't prove it in criminal court. Again, think O.J. Simpson. We couldn't prove it in criminal court that you did it, but the family of O.J.'s ex, they took him and her guy, they took him to civil court and they won. So you may not be able to prove it in criminal court, but you can prove it in civil court and at least get some money for your troubles. And it's funny because Jay-Z has those songs in his history where he talks about this, where it would, how do you equate your pain? Now, would your pain go away if I just paid your criminal charge, or not criminal charge, civil charge? So anyway, let's get into this. First of all, let me be clear, very, very clear, just speaking completely objectively, is that this entire thing may be complete nonsense.